Hi everyone. Have you tried using the ready-made sections in the editor panel when setting up a store or funnels? LightFunnels offers its users ready-made sections that allow them to organize their stores and funnels quickly and simply, using a drag-and-drop method without requiring any coding. In this video, I will explain what the sections we offer you in the panel are used for. Banners. The Banners section at the top of our website presents crucial information to visitors such as the latest news, campaigns, and special offers. In this section, exclusive advantages and important announcements are swiftly communicated to our users, allowing them to immediately benefit from these opportunities. Bundles. The Bundles section is designed to enrich your shopping experience. This area allows you to discover discounts available when purchasing multiple products, offering customers both cost advantages and the opportunity to explore related products. Call to action. This area contains powerful messages that encourage users to take action. Special offers, discounts, and limited-time campaigns direct users to take advantage of advantageous opportunities and act immediately. Checkout. The Checkout section enables users to complete their purchases, offering an easy and secure payment process. Personal and payment information can be processed quickly and smoothly in this user-friendly area. Contact us. The Contact Us form is a communication channel prioritizing customer satisfaction, allowing users to easily send questions, suggestions, and feedback. This section provides a practical way to interact with our company and receive support. Content. The Content area, where you can get in-depth information about our products and services, guides users with rich and informative content. This section is equipped with detailed information that supports your decision-making process. FAQ. The FAQ section, where users can find answers to frequently asked questions, covers a wide range of topics and provides quick access to information. This area facilitates the user experience by offering practical answers to the most common questions. Features. The Features section highlights the standout features and advantages of our products, offering critical information to inform your choices. Users can discover the unique aspects of our products in this section. Footer. Located at the bottom of our website, the Footer section offers users the opportunity to learn more about our company. Contact information, policy pages, and more are easily accessible in this area. Header. The Header section at the very top of our website contains key elements that facilitate site navigation and highlight our brand's identity. Users can quickly access different sections of our website from here. Hero. The Hero section on the homepage of our website strengthens the first impression by greeting users with striking visuals and content. This area draws users' attention by highlighting the appeal of our brand and products. How it works. The How It Works section shows users step-by-step how to use our products and services. These guides assist users in utilizing our products in the most effective way possible. Image Gallery. The Image Gallery section, which showcases the details of our products, offers users a visual exploration. This area features images that reflect the quality and characteristics of our products. Pricing. The Pricing section transparently displays the prices of our products and services. Users can compare different price options and packages in this area. Product. The Product section, which contains all the details of the selected product, provides users with comprehensive information about the product. This area guides users through the product selection process. Reviews. The Reviews section, where real user experiences are shared, provides valuable insights about the quality and performance of our products. This area helps new users make informed decisions. Sign up. The Sign Up section allows users to become members of our website, keeping them informed about special offers and updates. This area also collects user information for an effective email marketing strategy. Stats. The Stats section displays our performance indicators, showcasing our company's performance and customer satisfaction through numerical data. This area emphasizes our reliability and success in the industry. Testimonials. The Testimonials section highlights customer satisfaction, including users' positive experiences and recommendations. These real stories enhance the credibility of our brand. Thank you. The thank you section encountered after a purchase transaction thanks customers and provides transaction details, allowing users to clearly see their transactions. Video. The video section, which introduces our products and services, offers rich content for user information and engagement. These videos provide users with a detailed and visual learning experience. Product list. The product list section presents a general list of products in our inventory, giving users the opportunity to quickly review various options. Collection list. The collection list section contains a categorized list of our products, making it easy for users to find products that match their interests. Collection grid. The collection grid section visually displays products and collections, offering users visual richness in their shopping experience. About Us. The About Us section tells the story of our company, its values, and the unique aspects we offer to users, encouraging a personal connection with our brand. Sticky Chat. The Sticky Chat feature provides users with continuously accessible, instant chat support, enhancing customer satisfaction and interaction. Badges. The Badges area, symbolizing trustworthiness and quality, highlights features like shipping, payment, and support, giving users a sense of confidence. LightFunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for LightFunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of LightFunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of LightFunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that LightFunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, LightFunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.